Hi guys, you're welcome back to my Adobe Premiere Pro Masterclass. If you're just joining us, you're welcome. My name is Imo King. Today I'm going to be showing you how to place a video inside a text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So right here I have a video of a basketball that is placed on a basketball court. So this is basically a simple video. First thing I want to do is to go ahead and create a new text. So I can come to File, click on New Legacy Title, and over here you can just say you want to type sky, SKYE. You can decide to hit the align property, increase the size of the text to whatever it is you want it to be. You can decide to change the font, to whatever you want it to be. Move it to bold. And align it, and there you have your text. Or you can hit Ctrl and T using the type tool here to create a new text, but I already have a text that I've created with a font I like over here. So what I'm going to do first of all is to select this text and place it right above my video clip here. Make sure it's of equal length. So the next thing you want to do is to go over to your Effects tab and click on your video effects. Now under video effects you go on to keying, select keying. Under keying you see the property track mate key. You select the track mate key, select your video that you are trying to track, and then place it right on top of the video. So you go over to your effects control tab over here. You will notice the track mate property that has been added over here. So now what you want to take note of is the track where you have your video 1 and the track where you have the text that you're trying to track it with. So the video is placed on video 1 and I want to track it with the text that is on video 2. So I'll just come over to my track mate property here. Under this mate option, I'll change it to track number video 2, and automatically guys you would notice that the video is now tracked under this text we have over here. So if I hit play now, you'll notice that the video is playing inside the text that we have. And that's the simple way of placing videos inside your text in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not already done that, and don't forget to drop your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you very much guys for watching this video to the end.